Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm here at VVS Finance and we're going to be looking at the farms and the mines here at VVS Finance and the interest we can make in passive income. So first off, we're going over to the farm and we're going to see how our farm's doing this fine day. Alright, so we're at 111% interest. Can't beat that. Where else are you going to find that kind of interest rate? You can see I have almost $5 accumulated. Now, it's going to charge me 1 crow to collect this, but I can restake this somewhere else and get interest. Or I could convert and restake it right here. But stay tuned to the end of the video, see what I do next. So it looks like it finally executed and I have it in the harvest. So let's go check it out, see if it's in my wallet. Alright, so I don't have any VVS before, but now you can see it's already there. So awesome. So back to the dashboard. Alright, so I have VVS and I have some TONIC. So next we're going to set up a new farm. So let's go down on the farm. Now you gotta go scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see this one farm that says VVS TONIC Multi-Yield. Now this has the advantage of yielding both TONIC and VVS. It's only yielding 83% right now. So not as good as 111%, but it's not terrible. So the first thing you gotta do when you want to buy a farm is you need to enable it. So this is like buying the farm. So paying this small amount of crow, 0.22177 crow, enables the farm. So basically this is you buying the farm and the land so you can cultivate your crops. Alright? So it's going to take a minute to activate, and once it does, we will be able, so here we go, we can now stake LP. Now, in order to do this, you need to get VVS TONIC LP. So, I have not done that yet, and there's a little shortcut right here to do it, so let's just click on that. And it takes us over to liquidity. Awesome. So, now we would like crow. Nope. So VVS TONIC, and my limiting factor here is TONIC. So I need to say max TONIC, and it's going to give us an amount of VVS, and it doesn't look like I have that amount. Interesting. So maybe max VVS. Alright, so I guess VVS is a limiting factor. I thought TONIC was, but okay, whatever. So here I'm going to, I need to first enable the TONIC, which I haven't done yet, because this is the first time through. So it takes another 0.266 crow to enable TONIC here, and so I can exchange it and stake it in the pool. So now that it's enabled and it's chewing down my crow balance, you can see I'm going to supply. Now you can see here that there's not a lot here, right? 1 VVS equals 31.74 TONIC. Okay, there's not a lot here, but I can add to this over time, and I want to say confirm, and it's going to cost 1.26 crow. Wow. Whew. Okay, that fee's kind of high. Good thing I got a bunch of crow there. Alright, so I submitted that transaction, and the blockchain will be, oh, there it goes, it transacted. So, cool. So now you can see we have some VVS TONIC LP that we can stake in the farm. And right here, there's a little shortcut, say stake in farm. Oops. Stake and farm. Alright, now I'm going to say max. I want to get the maximum amount. So, if I leave it in there for a year, I'm going to eventually make $12.86. Now, I've spent about almost 2 crows so far, which is about $1. So, not a big deal, right? Cool. So, whoa. Okay, another fee. 2 crow. Okay, so these fees are adding up. Alright, so that's a total of 4 crow? 3 crow? About 3 crow right now. I'm at 3 crow. Alright, well, or 4 crow, yeah. Wow. Okay, so $2 to get this thing up and running, and if I leave it in there for a year, which is my plan, I'll come out about $10 ahead. So be sure to guys subscribe and see how this goes. I'm going to add to this over time as I gain more TONIC and VVS. So smash that like button and be sure to subscribe for more updates. Now, you can see there's no more left, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to check on the farm. Alright, first farm up is the VVS, Crow VVS, 111%. Nice. Alright, let's go down and check on the last farm that I have. You can see that I've already attained 0.21 VVS and 8.57 TONIC. So, I wouldn't call that a windfall by any means, but hey, at least it's something. And looks like we're making 83.48%. Nice. So you can see the amount that I have staked is about $9, about $10. Okay, so nothing huge, nothing huge. I'm probably going to increase this to about $100 over the next couple months. And so be sure to subscribe and see how it works out. If it works out really well, I might put a lot more in. We'll have to see how that happens. But I wanted to test it out. So this is just like a little test run before I put a major amount of cash in. So my big thing here is, let's go back out to the main page. If you guys have been following me for any point in time, I originally put in $800 into this app, into a VVS. I've converted the Crow, and it didn't work out so well. You can see I am down to $461. And the only reason I have that much is the single conversion that I made got me a little bit of it back. So I'm still underwater. I'm looking to break even or make a little bit in the next few months as VVS and crypto, TONIC, Crow come back with a vengeance, and Bitcoin soars to over 100,000. Hopefully, we'll see. This whole Ukraine-Russia thing is really messing things up a bit, and we'll see how that works out. So, like I said before, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more IGOs, farming, and mining here on VVS Finance. Thanks for watching.